Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with proportion and light marks so corrections are easy. Use a 2H pencil to draw a horizontal center line, then place 2 almond shapes spaced 1 eye apart. This is the only way to keep symmetry. Once done, mark the iris centers and the inner tear ducts. Now sketch a faint eyelid crease and the upper lash line, keeping the strokes loose. This gives you control later. Make sure to check angles from the reference before committing to darker lines. Now focus on the iris and surrounding forms because that creates Jennie's characteristic gaze. You'll darken the pupil, leave a crisp highlight, and add a subtle radial texture. Draw strokes that follow the iris curve. Next, define the eyelid thickness and shadow under the brow. Use soft cross-hatching to represent the skin plane. Then build lashes in layers: short, dense inner lashes, longer tapered outer lashes. Make sure to vary pressure, lighter toward the root. You finish by balancing contrast and sharpening key edges so the eyes read clearly. Darken the upper lid shadow and the pupil to anchor the gaze, then lift tiny highlights with a kneaded eraser. Those specks sell the wet look. Gently blend stray graphite with a stump to unify skin tones, but keep reflections untouched. If proportions feel wrong, step back and remeasure the eye spacing and tilt. Erase only the offending lines, and rebuild lashes. This corrective path is the only way to preserve likeness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.